Hey guys, it's me, Courtney from Know Your Produce, and today we're going to be making a strawberry banana peanut butter smoothie. Super delicious and quick and easy. I like making this with frozen banana, and I also use fresh strawberries. So the frozen banana is from a banana that was spotted that we then freeze, so it's nice and sweet. So if you have noticed, sometimes when you buy a frozen strawberry bag, the strawberries are kind of tart, and I don't want that for this smoothie. I want this to be sweet and delicious. It's kind of like a dessert smoothie, so I'm using these fresh, sweet strawberries. And then for the liquid, we're gonna be using my homemade oat milk. Just make sure whenever you're using any kind of nut milk, you give it a shake before you actually pour it into your glass or into your blender, because it's gonna separate. So this is nicely shaken and ready to pour into our smoothie. Then we're also using some creamy peanut butter. You have to really stir it to get the oil and the peanut butter mixed in together. You could also use homemade if you like, or any brand you prefer. This is not brand specific, you just want that peanut butter taste. We're also using a quality vanilla extract. You guys know I love my good vanilla extract. We're not using any imitation here, so make sure you're using the real thing, because I can tell the difference. And then we're also using my favorite chia seeds. So let's get started. We're gonna put this all into the blender and enjoy. All right, so first things first, I like to add in my liquids. Remember, we're using a frozen banana, so we don't want that to clump up. Then we're gonna put in our banana. And strawberries. And then I like to use 2 teaspoons to almost a tablespoon of peanut butter. If you like peanut butter, you could use more. If you don't want it to be like a really strong peanut butter flavor, you could use less. But just know that you will taste it if you use a lot. But it is a strawberry banana peanut butter smoothie. So we're gonna go with 1 heaping spoon, and then I'm gonna do another one. Yum, yum. Whoa, it's so runny. I just stirred it up today. I love peanut butter. And then you could just put the spoon in the sink, or you can enjoy this. Oh my gosh. My lips are stuck together now. Great. How am I gonna talk? I need water. I'll be right back. I need some water. Don't lick the spoon if you're filming. Notes to self. Woo. Then we're gonna pour in our chia seeds. I like to use about 2 tablespoons. Okay, so now we're gonna blend all of these ingredients together. If you're wearing a headset, you might wanna remove it because it's gonna be a little loud, or you could just turn the volume down. So let's get started. If you wanted a thicker smoothie, you could use more fruits and veggies or even less oat milk. I like it a little bit on the thinner side because just the way the smoothie is, it's just almost like a really good mixture of everything. And I like it a little on the thinner side because I'm not using a straw. And then I can feed more people with less ingredients, just the oat milk, which is super affordable. It's so cheap to make it yourself. And there you have your smoothie. It's so good, it's so refreshing. Okay, so I took my pictures and now it's time to enjoy my smoothie. It's not gonna taste like a peanut butter and jelly, but it's gonna have that nice hint of peanut butter and then that strawberry banana smoothie that everybody knows and loves. You could even add your favorite protein powder to this if it's a neutral flavor. And then, yeah, there's really a few things you could add. You could add some spinach if you wanted, some frozen cauliflower to thicken it up even more. but this is perfect just like this. I can't wait to take a sip, so cheers. Some of this. It's so good. I will say I don't like peanut butter and jelly, but I love this combination. For some reason, it just works for me. I will not eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Even if it was strawberry jam, I just won't do it. Can't do it, but I love peanut butter. I love my chia seed jam. I just don't like, I don't know, I don't like it as a sandwich, but in a smoothie, it's amazing. I'm gonna drink this whole thing. So I'm gonna go. I'm out of breath.
I want to try that.
Wait, hold on. I can't, the baby's up in the ribs now, so I'm gonna get out of breath talking about this smoothie, but it's so good. I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. My husband's reaching for it because I gotta share. See you guys next week. Bye. It's so good.
Oh yeah.